Now quickly do one more stuff. So this is the desktop. Now try to add remote app as well. That means let's go and create one more application group. This time it would be remote app. Remember, remote app could be multiple, right? But desktop application group would be one only. That we have already added. So that's why it's disabled. So remote app is coming. Just give it a name. Any name, that's fine. Assignment, add application. Let's add an application. So here it shows start menu or file path, how you want to go with that. Let's quickly go with start menu first. In start menu, it will show you all the apps installed in your VM. So let's pick anything else just to understand the example. Let's select Microsoft Edge. So let's suppose you're giving a browser as an option. Just give a display name. Go for next. So it's automatically showing you the icon. You have to keep it as it is, then review plus add and add. Review plus create. And create. All right, so it's created. Your deployment is complete. Let's close that. Quickly go into the host pool. Click on application groups. Now there are two application groups are visible, but as you can see in the remote app, there is no assignment. So let's do that as well. Quickly go inside the application group. Go set manage assignments. Add that same security group. So it's added. So after selecting the security group in the assignments, you can just close this. Now, as you can see, the assignment has been done for this new application group. But if you open it, one thing which is missing, and that is workspace. So this application group hasn't been assigned to any workspace so far. So to assign that, quickly click on search and type workspace. So it's already visible here. Open it. Click on Be Bright Session Workspace. Click on Application Group. There is an add. You can add. You can simply click plus. It's visible here. Select. And now this application group is also assigned with this workspace. But still, the problem is the host pool can show one application group at a time, or I should say one application group type at a time, either desktop or remote app. Currently, if you remember, if you go into the host pool properties, the desktop preferred group type is selected. So if you refresh here, it will keep showing you the desktop, not the application what you have created as an application group. So you have to change this to remote app and save it. Right? So just come here, click refresh. And now it is. See, now it's showing the remote app as a preferable. So it's showing Edge browser. If you click over here, it will open a browser. rather than opening the complete desktop. And that is the beauty of Azure Virtual Desktop, that either complete desktop or only the remote app will be visible on the browser. So this Edge browser is open, though it's asking for all those information that you want to sign in or not. So you can just ignore that because we are going to close this for now.